morning, guys. I should be sleeping in my bed cozy, sleeping well, but no. What's up? Karura, mom has forced me to come to Karura. Yeah, this is forced, but
for a good cause.
Yeah, we're just gonna do a walk. Mom's supposed to meet with her friends, and I am supposed to meet with my friend as well. So yeah,
and my friend as well.
Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give all you taking my time. It feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Fill your room up with some roses. I'm staring those eyes when I stand alone. Don't trust me this time, it's just a phase. If it goes up, it might just be a letter. Wanna fill your cup with some morning coffee. I'll tell you all the promises I wanna keep. Wanna wrap my arms around you, give you the warmth. Take this chance, I want you to go grab my hand. I don't wanna be stuck in a situation. Just let me know I'm down to risk it all. I don't like temporary love. Seeing all these couples always going through the grim. Tongue sins and day, I want all of that romance. Give you what you need, not what you want. I don't like temporary love. I don't like temporary love. I don't like temporary love. When I put on my eggs in one basket, go everyone got me lost there. Wanna go through miles and mountains, go through hell and back, begging, sweat, blue in the sky. When I move my hands, I'll slowly to yours. With your body pressed against me, takes me to a different place. So just let me say one more thing. So can you take this chance? I want you to go grab my hand. I don't wanna be stuck in a situation. Just let me know I'm down to risk it all. I don't like temporary love. Seeing all these couples once going through the grim. Tongue sins and day, I want all of that romance. Give you what you need, not what you want. I don't like temporary love.
hey guys, it's about to be maintenance back to back to back. We need to sort my nails first, so let's get it.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different. Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me to stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. I'm just thinking. Moments you leave, it goes straight to my head. Feels like my bed is on fire when I'm sleeping alone. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you run. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love you. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me.
Good morning, guys. I know there's a lot of food in this vlog. I have not really been leaving the house. I've just been in the house. I guess that's why. But today is Thursday, and Thursdays is my therapy days, and I was given an assignment. And I wanted you guys to see the difference between the things that I was asked for. So my assignment was to know me and my character. So I asked the people who are closest to me. So who is Kate? By Kate and others. So Kate's thoughts, positives: I think I'm an empath. I think I'm kind. I think I'm generous, and I'm creative. And the negatives is a pessimist, and I'm very quick to anger, especially on certain situations. I'm just like, no. I get angry quite fast. And then mother's thoughts, she says I'm generous, I'm loving, kind-hearted, protective of your family, in brackets, very loyal, very trustworthy, and honest. And when she sent these things, I was just like, excuse me? I did not know you thought all these things about me. I was like, okay, wow. And then we come to the negative. She says quick temper, which I agree. I'm very quick to anger. You can be little miss, always right. I think for her with this is we never see really eye to eye. Like she also always thinks she's right. Some also I'm like, no, you're not right. I am the one who's right. And then we have over loving, giving when you really love, so you overextend yourself and are blinded to see realness. True. That has been something with also all my friendships. I overdo, I overlove, and then when it's time for others to show up, they never show up. It's quite interesting. Then we have partners. Partner is hilary. So positives, we have kind, patient, not with the wrong people. I put this in brackets because that's what she said. Warm and welcoming, determined and ambitious, selective, perfectionism, open-minded. So this selective perfectionism, he meant like with work, especially if something is not right, I'm just like, it has to be this particular way. It has to be. I think I am determined and ambitious. I don't know. I feel like this one, for sure. And then open-minded. Open-minded, I think he meant like open to new things, open to try different things, which I agree. The negatives, I'm defensive. He says I'm defensive, I give up too fast, and I'm an overthinker. And then finally, friends' thoughts. This is Steph. She didn't give me any negatives. So she said, I'm a lover, I have a big heart, I'm an empath, a perfectionist, nurturing, giving mother vibes, creative, a happy person, and assertive. This perfectionism thing is also with work. There's a video I didn't want to post because of something. One thing was off. She's like, now why would you do that? Yeah, nurturing mother vibes. I think this also comes with the, what did I figure out? I have a savior complex. I want to help everyone, make everyone feel comfortable. This. So this can also be a negative. So yeah, those are the things that people shared that I wanted to show you guys. Also, guys, you can let me know what you think my character is from my videos, because I feel like you guys get something different from me. You don't always get the same thing as everyone else, so you can just put it down and let me know what you think my character is. But this is my 3rd session for therapy and have really been enjoying it. I know last time I said I was gonna give you an update and I really didn't, but I'm really enjoying it. My therapist is super nice. I feel like she listens and she understands me so well, and I've decided to invest all my energy in myself. I have decided I'm gonna be a bit selfish and, you know, focus on me. Let me log on to therapy. I'm excited to see what she says. I'll let you guys know after.
Well done. Good session?
Yes, thank you so much.
You're so welcome, my dear. Alright, you take care.
Let's open some packages. I get my packages from Amazon and I ship it through Aquanto. So these are the latest packages that I got. Number 1, some film, because I have the printer. I'll show you guys when I put it. So this was a very cheap option compared to how much they're selling like each in Kenya. And then we have a tripod. So I've been seeing this tripod everywhere, especially on TikTok. I like how small, I think how small it is. You can fit it instead of carrying a whole ass mini. This is a remote actually, so it pops out, so you can create content on your own. So this is like a drinks organizer for the fridge. I'll insert an image or show you guys once it's assembled, but you can see how it works. You put your drinks, so every time you remove one, it's pushed that way. That's the whole concept of it. Yeah, so guys, this is the thing assembled. So what happens is, if I pick this, you see it comes. That's the whole concept. So guys, this is the printer. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this printer and this other, what are they called, film that you need. If you have a Polaroid, the same exact film you need is what is needed for the printer as well. And the reason why I like this printer a lot is because you don't have to walk around with a huge ass Polaroid. You can just print from your phone. Wow. This is a multi one. Automatically removes it. So I do have picture I wanted to print. This picture of mom. I'll just press print. I've printed so many pictures, guys. Yeah. So everything, literally everything I've shown right now is available on my Amazon storefront. You can use your different ways. You can use iMail, Aquanto, Savo Store, whichever way you use to bring things here, you can get them. But they're linked in the description. I don't even remember though. I was probably hella bad. Let's hey, copyright. Guys, if you know me, you know I'm a very big fan of Nikki. I'm a barb. I'm a barb. A serious one, like it's a bit crazy. Anyway, guys, I have just gotten ready to go for an event. I'm going for an event at the hub. It's for Adidas. Adidas are opening a store at the hub, and I'm super excited. I'll show you guys my full fit. Let's go see how the shoes look like and how the prices look like as well.
I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap.
Hey guys, it is 7 a.m. and I need to leave immediately. I'm going to spritz. I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going to undo this and do knotless. I'm not decided whether I'm going to do any color, because this color really looked well. It really suited me. Like this French curls, they were worth it. I looked nice. I got so many compliments. Absolutely love it. And spritz, as much as it's pricey, you're actually paying for the service as well. They have really great service and they use top-notch products. Like, yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna treat my hair. I'm just gonna undo, wash, and go this knotless. I'll see whether I'll do any color. And also, guys, let me tell you, kitambo, when I heard that there was a concept of unaweza enda kubomolewa nywele, I was like, wow. But when it came to me paying for it, I actually felt some shame. I used to feel shame about it. I don't know why. And then mom told me if it was something that was shameful or was not gonna be possible, or is such an inconvenience, they would not offer it as a service. So I was like, oh, you're right, you know. Plus these days, you know, I'm a convenience girly. I will pay for convenience. I will pay for it. I will not struggle. I shall not struggle. So let's go.
Things are getting comfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that. Still, you'd rather take it
Back, and this is how the hell. This is how the hell. Steph is here. So it's like a mixture of different colors. Yeah, but itanika for a while before birthday. Guys, you know, if you didn't know, we share a birthday.
We do.
Yeah, literally. September 9th.
Same day.
I'm ready.
Same day. Different
Y'all are
year.
not ready. Yeah, but I received some things from Aquanto
That she bought.
that I bought that cost me 50 million.
Everything is 50 million, I beg. This economy.
But it's all worth it. So it's mostly beauty products in a way. Yeah. Oh, these flowers, I got them from Art Cafe. I got them that time. I don't know if I showed you guys in the vlog. But they're so pretty. Like, I don't like roses, but these ones, they have my heart. They do. Anyway, let's get to the unbox. So most of this I got during the sale. Like, what is it called? Prime Day. I got them during Prime Day, so everything was much. Like, I'm so excited. I like opening packages. Oh, yeah. First things first is a mouse. I need a mouse because I'm editing on the MacBook, and that's again, it's too tricky. And also, Hillary pushed me to get it. He was getting triggered watching me struggle. Of course, it's pink. I like pink. Actually, I think it's my favorite color. Pinks and nudes. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I think it's so cute. So cute. Tiny. I can carry it in my bag with the MacBook as well. Yeah, it's a Logitech. To add USB-C to your PC, whatever that is, guys. We got that as well. And then the thing that made my shipping cost 50 million Kenya shillings is books. Guys, I have learned my lesson. Never ship in books. Don't ever do it. Guys, it's heavy. These are the books that I got. This is Julia Child, Mastering the Art of French Cooking. Like I told you guys, I am collecting cookbooks. I really enjoy going through them and trying the different recipes. And Julia Child is queen. Like there was no other option, I had to. They're so pretty. There we go. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Got some Mizani products. Here we have the Miracle Milk. I got La Roche-Posay. This is their thermal water. I've always been interested on how they are and how it feels on the skin, so I'm really excited. So this is the double repair face moisturizer, and then I also got the hydrating gentle cleanser. I've been having trouble sleeping. Hillary and I always have trouble sleeping. There's something wrong. So I got this Dr. Teal's melatonin and essential oils sleep spray, and it was a bundle of 3. I think it was like 10 USD this one. So I'm happy I stocked this. I'm gonna try it today night and then I'll give you an update tomorrow. Yeah, but I got 3 of them. You guys know I buy my shower gels in bulk, like once a year, and then I don't have to struggle.
Only 5 million.
Hey, only 5 million. So I got Olay. I've been told Olay is a very good brand. Nimona Jackie aina hata aki advertise, and it's supposed to be really good on your skin. So I got not only 1,
About 4.
2, 3, and 4. Here they are. So these ones are gonna take me through the whole year and probably the whole of next year. Even the Dove that I had has stayed. Like I got it I think last year, so it helps. I don't want to spend millions on, what are they called, shower gels. I'm so excited to try this. Hopefully my skin will be looking different, looking better. But yeah, that's it guys, that's the haul. Hey guys, so me and my mom should just never be let in any supermarket, any place where you can spend money, because we are bad influence for each other.
Especially here for furniture.
Actually furniture, home things. Yeah, we just should not be there. So I got something. What is this? I'll show you guys. It's like a shelf. Yeah, I got it from Furniture Palace for 8,000 guys. Only 8,000. So that's what we were gonna get. It was already bought. We were supposed just to pick it and leave. Tell me why. I got more pillows. Mom got pillows. I got another fake plant and some decor pieces. Why? It was not necessary. It was not necessary at all. But I'm happy with the purchases actually because of the sale. Remember I had only gotten 2 pillows, such pillows, 2 of these. I only got 2, so I went and got 3, and for the 3 of them it was like 4,800, and it comes with a pillow as well. And then over this is the, what is it called, rack, shelf, display shelf. This is the one for 8K. Can you imagine guys, from 25 to 8K. And then this, and then I also got this fake plant inakaa vizuri.
It's very pretty.
It's looking really nice. I like it. Yeah, so
And I'm looking nice.
I will show you guys once I style everything and make sure the dining area is looking nice, because that area still needs to be painted. So I will give you guys like once it's fully styled, fully prepared, I'll show you guys how everything is gonna look. Hey guys, like I said, we are maintaining, maintaining things. As in, actually, my lashes can go longer. They still look very, I'll insert a picture because I took a picture, guys. They've really held up. So I'm at Copy's Beauty. She's about to do her magic as usual. I'm about to start. I'll catch you later. Hey guys, I'm here with Muthoni. Muthoni, say hi to my peoples.
Hi.
And Frank here in the background. Salimiana. It's not even. Anyway, guys, so we're going to Cultiva. It's been a while actually since I've been there, so I'm so excited. I don't even had breakfast because I'm preparing myself. So let's go together, guys, to see what is new on their menu. But I'm sure it's gonna be good, like, you know, the usual.
I'm trying to get you on my mind less, but then again I couldn't mind less. Got me like, what's in your coffee? I hope you call me and we can talk about our hobbies, yeah. Like finding movies to get lost in, and quoting phrases from The Office. What's it like to wear that halo? So sweet it's painful. So would you put me on your payroll, girl? I know it's probably not too healthy. You got me over here obsessing. Whoa. Friends call me stupid, call me crazy. Well, so long to sanity. Forget the roses and the diamonds. Baby, like MasterCard, you're priceless. At the end, you got no limit. So girl, let's spend it. A couple weeks in Costa Rica where we both can kick it. I give you my sovereignty. We play Monopoly. You own the boardwalk, but you're living in my head rent free. I wonder when I'll get evicted, or if you meant to leave your blender in my kitchen. I know it's probably not too healthy. Like John Belly and it's overwhelming. Whoa. So call me stupid, call me crazy. Yeah. So long to sanity.
Hello, guys. Hey, guys. Cultiva was as great as it has always been. It's so crazy. We're there like when they started, literally. So going back there and seeing like the changes and how much they've improved is crazy. It's inspiring us, you know, to start something. I've always wanted like a coffee shop or a restaurant that had like a seasonal menu that wasn't open all the time. But maybe we can work on that later. So, yeah, I still want to go to culinary school as well. But anyway, yeah, so Bodonia and Frank also enjoyed. They're actually visiting from the US. They are leaving actually, so a bit sad. You know, when you have people in your house for such a long time and then they go, you start feeling like some emptiness. You start missing them. I'm really missing them. But today I have an event. We are going to the opening of the grill shack at Valley Arcade, and I want to see how it's gonna look like. I'm interested to see, because I've had grill shack before. I don't remember how good it was, but I'm only going because I want to see. I want to try it and see if it's gonna fit a series that I also want to start, but more on that later. That's what we're gonna do. But right now I'm watching Homecoming, a film by Beyonce on Netflix. Let me tell you, I don't know how many times I have watched this documentary because it's amazing. I love it. Let's pretend I'm Beyonce for a minute.
Hold on, let me testify. Some things I gotta rectify. They question who the next in line. I guess that's just the test of time. Bitch, it's me. They think it's voodoo or it's wizardry. Don't understand how this kid could be. So next level, my embellishments got devil's pissed sheets. Finally, they had an epiphany. My recipe for the takeover is their karma. And we'll squad up and we'll barter anything to their fake harvest. Fake gardening, late pavement to spray sawdust. Got them slipping and sliding, my sweaty claiming they caused it. Caught them on a slip and slide, but they ain't ever slipping by me. Feel like my head's been getting bigger. I bet no brother wanna sit behind me. What you getting in tonight? I bet no brother wanna come and find me. Oh, but you best not get me live tonight. I wrote a spliff and get to speak in my piece. Like, hold on, let me testify. Some things I gotta rectify. They asking who the next in line. I guess it's just the test of time. But hold on, let me testify. Some things I gotta rectify. They asking who the next in line. I guess it's just the test of time.
Guys, Mama said she's got me something, and I'm excited to see. Kwani unaivaa? Cute.
How cute is this? And it matches with
My tattoo.
Look
It does. It matches.
So since I'm not putting tattoo anytime soon, for the time being, this can work. So take care of this. It's alive. Yeah.
Guys, so cute. So guys, I received a package from Daily Style. She sent me this. As in, this is crazy. So I wanted to try with you guys to see how the clothes look like and fit on me. This is how it looks like. This is definitely a blazer. I can't wait to dress. It's so short, not funny. It's just here. Yeah, but it's so cute. The colors are beautiful. It's giving body. This is the next dress, which is so cute, so long, so lovely. But of course, the chest is too big for you guys. Like, sijui muni donate some titties or something. It's giving beach. It's giving resorts. That's what it's giving. I love it. Like the lining, I know you can see. I think you can see it ends here. But that's all you need. You just need the coochie and the booty covered, and you're fine. I really like the colors. It is so cute. This is how it looks like at the back. Like, so we have a jumpsuit. I really like the stripes. I think it's flattering. I think it's cute. At least for bodysuits, like such this one's because it's such it's like stretchy material. Unaweza itoa tu vizuri na uvae vizuri. This is how it looks like at the back. So comfortable, like, yeah, I'll keep it.
For you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get space, 'cause I wanna believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.